If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: in the guided buying for central procurement with SAP Ariba Buying 3N, which of the following process steps is also an automated step? Option 1: display shopping cart. Option 2: create goods receipt. Option 3: create shopping cart. Option 4: create purchase order. Question: which are hallmarks of successful cloud offerings? 4. Option 1: accelerated innovation cycles. Option 2: fully customizable solutions. Option 3: best practices for industries and countries. Option 4: a modern growth platform. Option 5: reliable data centers. Question: SAP S4HANA Cloud Procurement Overview. Which of the following prerequisites must be fulfilled to use the smart buying skill of SAP Copilot? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: the business user must be assigned to the relevant external catalog or catalogs. Option 2: the external catalog must be marked as relevant for the cross-catalog search. Option 3: the employee hierarchy must be configured. Option 4: the business user must configure the situation types. Option 5: catalog items of external catalogs must be extracted and imported. Question: which of the following configuration apps, SSCUIs, influence the scheduling agreement in procurement, BMR, business process? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: organizational structure. Option 2: cost center categories. Option 3: storage locations. Option 4: define rejection reasons. Option 5: material groups. Question: master data management and migration. What determines the set of data migration objects available from the migrate your data application? Option 1: the selected business scenarios. Option 2: the selected source system. Option 3: the selected target fields. Option 4: the customer legacy system. Question: which of the following apps, SSCUIs, affect procurement of services, 22Z? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: activate flexible workflow for service entry sheets. Option 2: activate flexible workflow for purchase contracts. Option 3: define reporting subcategories. Option 4: set tolerance limits for price variance. Option 5: activate flexible workflow for purchase orders. Question: what can you monitor from the procurement overview page? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: request for quotation items. Option 2: purchase order items. Option 3: supplier down payments. Option 4: supplier EDI messages. Option 5: supplier confirmations. Question: what is the purpose of the redistribute workload SAP Fiori app? Option 1: reassign purchase requisitions to the purchasers. Option 2: reassign purchase orders to the purchasers. Option 3 reassign approval work items to relevant approvers. Option 4 reassign purchasing group in the purchasing documents. Question: Organizational units and system data. What does SAP recommend you do to maintain the organizational structure in SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Option 1 you rename the existing organizational units. Creation of new units is not allowed. Option 2 you delete or rename the existing organizational units. Option 3 you C0 and rename *NE existing organizational units. Option 4 you create brand new organizational units. Copy of existing units is not allowed. Question: Real-time reporting and monitoring. Which adjustments can be made using the Query Builder? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 create custom core data services, CDs, views for use in queries. Option 2 add business logic to queries. Option 3 add, remove, or customize fields in queries. Option 4 create parameters to read values from the user settings. Option 5 copy a query from an SAP delivered standard query. Question: How is the technical clearing account used during integrated asset acquisitions? 1. Option 1 it is debited with the amount posted to the supplier in the LJ valuation documents. Option 2 it is debited with the amount posted to the supplier in the operational document. Option 3 it is credited with the amount posted to the asset in the LJ valuation documents. Option 4 it is credited with the amount posted to the asset in the operational document. Question: In every company, you have ______ basic user types 1. Option 1 4. Option 2 6. Option 3 5. Option 4 3. Question: SAP S/4HANA Cloud Business Process Testing. In what phase of the SAP Activate methodology do you test the business processes? Option 1 Perform. Option 2 Explore. Option 3 Deploy. Option 4 Run. Question: SAP S/4HANA Cloud Configuration and Integration. You want to authenticate employees in SAP Cloud Identity. In which app can you download a .csv file with the list of users? Option 1 Maintain communication users. Option 2 Maintain business users. Option 3 Maintain business roles. Option 4 Maintain catalog roles. Question: Which role is required to configure the settings for communication management? Option 1 Configuration Expert. Option 2 Administrator. Option 3 Master Data Specialist. Option 4 Project Manager Commercial Services. Question: What are the key process flows of service procurement? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Maintain quota arrangements. Option 2 Manage invoices. Option 3 Manage service entry sheets. Option 4 Manage service contracts. Option 5 Manage purchase orders. Question: which of the following configuration apps, SSCUIs, are used in SAP S/4HANA for legal content? 115. Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1: define functional area. Option 2: define content types. Option 3: define access level. Option 4: define entity types. Option 5: define document types. Question: organizational units and system data. Which organizational units can form a sales area in SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Option 1: the sales organization, the distribution channel, and the division. Option 2: the sales organization, the distribution channel, and the shipping point. Option 3: the sales organization, the delivering plant, and the division. Option 4: the company code, the plant, and the sales organization. Question: SAP S/4HANA Cloud configuration and integration. What are your options if an out-of-the-box integration between SAP S/4HANA Cloud and another SAP solution is not available? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: unrestricted firewall. Option 2: whitelisted APIs. Option 3: infrastructure as a service. Option 4: integration tools. Question: real-time reporting and monitoring. Which capabilities support in-app extensibility for analytics? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1: out-of-the-box APIs for reporting. Option 2: core data services, CDs, views to implement data sources. Option 3: option to extend standard forms. Option 4: SAP Fiori apps to guide the user when building reports. Question: how can organizations closely connect subsidiaries with headquarters to run end-to-end business scenarios? 1. Option 1: with a 4-tier ERP solution. Option 2: with a fully functional ERP solution. Option 3: with a cloud solution. Option 4: with a 2-tier ERP solution. Question: what is the purpose of the Redistribute Workload SAP Fiori app? Option 1: reassign purchase requisitions to the purchasers. Option 2: reassign purchase orders to the purchasers. Option 3: reassign approval work items to relevant approvers. Option 4: reassign purchasing group in the purchasing documents. Question: enables real-time reporting and analytics using prepackaged HANA Live views. 1. Option 1: the core component. Option 2: the app component. Option 3: the analysis component. Option 4: the report component. Question: organizational units and system data. Which app do you use to extend the existing organizational units? Option 1: manage your solution. Option 2: import employees. Option 3: manage teams and responsibilities. Option 4: extensibility cockpit. Question: integrations with Ariba. Which of the following solutions is required to integrate SAP? Option 1: S/4HANA Cloud with the SAP Ariba sourcing integration, 1AO, scope item. Option 2 SAP Supplier Relationship Management. Option 3 SAP Supplier Lifecycle Management. Option 4 Ariba Network. Option 5 SAP Process Integration. Question: which of the following is a mandatory field to create a purchase order for consumables? Option 1 Item category. Option 2 Material number. Option 3 Account assignment data. Option 4 Purchase info record. Question: what are the three principles that define intelligent ERP? 3. Option 1 Automation, intelligence and learning capabilities powered by artificial intelligence and predictive analytics, combined with real-time insight to action to help automate key functions and enable smarter and faster decisions. Option 2 Next generation processes, rethinking the way business gets done through the smart application of technology and innovation. Option 3 Digital Age User Experience, an award-winning user experience across the entire organization, including a context-aware, business-savvy digital assistant. Option 4 Agility, the simple extension and agility layer enabling you to extend the scope of a solution by either integrating functions, or building your own. Option 5 Fundamental Simplification, a user experience that relies on modern design principles such as role-based, responsive, simple, coherent, and delightful. Question: which scenarios demonstrate in-app extensibility? 4. Option 1 Creating custom forms with the Adobe Forms Designer. Option 2 Creating custom logic using ABAP. Option 3 Creating business objects. Option 4 Creating custom fields for an application. Option 5 Creating CDS views. Question: which of the followings are available as analytical list pages in SAP S/4HANA Procurement Analytics? 3. Option 1 Monitor scheduling agreement items. Option 2 Purchase order items monitor. Option 3 User interaction items monitor. Option 4 Purchase contract items monitor. Question: what SAP Best Practices business process, scope item, enables the user to order direct materials where a seamless integration is incorporated and ensures a stable and efficient process, including all steps from the initial creation of a purchase requisition to the invoice creation and handling? 1. Option 1 Advanced Available to Promise Processing, 1JW. Option 2 Direct Procurement with Inbound Delivery, 2TX. Option 3 Cross-Plant Transfer Posting, 1P7. Option 4 Procurement of Direct Materials, J45. Question: which document authorizes the purchasing department to procure a material or service in the quantity specified? 1. Option 1 MRP Report. Option 2 Purchase Contract. Option 3 Purchase Requisition. Option 4 Purchase Order. Question: what SAP Best Practices business process, scope item, allows for the blocking and deletion of data according to residence and retention rules? 1. Option 1 Data Aging, 1K8. Option 2 Data migration to SAP S/4HANA from File, BH5. Option 3 Information Lifecycle Management, 1K. Option 4 Data Protection and Privacy, 1J7. Question: what are the three cornerstones of SAP and #39's cloud security strategy? 3. Option 1 Secure people. Option 2 Secure products. Option 3 Secure cloud. Option 4 Secure company. Option 5 Secure operations. Question: in the guided buying for central procurement with SAP Ariba buying, 3N, which of the following process steps is also an automated step? Option 1 Display shopping cart. Option 2 Create goods receipt. Option 3 Create shopping cart. Option 4 Create purchase order. Question: SAP Activate for SAP S/4HANA Cloud. SAP Activate Lifecycle Management and Best Practices. What are key activities of the prepare phase of the SAP Activate methodology? Note, there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1 User training. Option 2 Customer self-enablement. Option 3 Project setup. Option 4 Data migration. Option 5 System provisioning. Question: integrations with Ariba. Which SAP Fiori app is required for the SAP Ariba sourcing integration? 1A0, scope item. Option 1 Create purchasing info record. Option 2 Create quote. Option 3 Create purchase contract. Option 4 Manage RFQs. Question: which job template can you use for automated invoice settlement when you schedule supplier invoice jobs? Option 1 Consignment and pipeline settlement. Option 2 Schedule supplier invoice output. Option 3 Evaluated receipt settlement. Option 4 Automatic delivery cost settlement. Question: which of the following characteristics apply to the requisition process in SAP S/4HANA Cloud? 2. Option 1 Purchase orders are generally approved. Option 2 A note can be maintained in the purchase requisition. Option 3 Defaults can be used to maintain values for plant or currency. Question: where must the initial project team users be created to log into the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Starter System for the first time? 1. Option 1 SAP Cloud Platform. Option 2 SAP S/4HANA Cloud Fiori app. Option 3 SAP Cloud Administration Center. Option 4 SAP S/4HANA Cloud Starter System. Question: which activities can you perform in the Ariba quote automation integration for procurement process? 3. Option 1 Accept the supplier and #39's bidding in SAP Ariba Discovery. Option 2 Submit the price quote in SAP S/4HANA. X. Option 3 Change the request for quotation in SAP Ariba Discovery. Option 4 Approve the supplier and #39's quotation in SAP S/4HANA. Question, fit to standard workshop. You are taking part in a validation workshop for a scope item, and you identify a gap in a reporting requirement. What do you do? Option 1, create the change request. Option 2, propose possible solutions. Option 3, document the gap in detail. Option 4, write the extension specifications. Question, organizational units and system data. Which organizational units can form a sales area in SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Option 1, the sales organization, the distribution channel, and the division. Option 2, the sales organization, the distribution channel, and the shipping point. Option 3, the sales organization, the delivering plant, and the division. Option 4, the company code, the plant, and the sales organization. Question, a customer wants to convert an SAP ERP system to SAP S/4HANA on SAP HANA Enterprise Cloud. What are the key activities for this transition scenario? 3. Option 1, activate customer vendor integration. Option 2, analyze the number of ledgers. Option 3, review industry solutions. Option 4, perform sizing for re-implementation. Question, how do you create interactive forms that look exactly like their paper counterparts? 1. Option 1, maintain custom forms in SAP Cloud Platform Forms by Adobe. Option 2, maintain custom form content in the Manage Logos and Manage Texts Fiori apps. Option 3, maintain custom forms in the ABAP3 editor. Option 4, maintain custom forms in the Maintain Form Templates Fiori app. Question, how are the provider responses for quotations sent to SAP S/4HANA Cloud from Ariba Network? 1. Option 1, using SAP JCO. Option 2, no response is sent as the process takes place in the same system. Option 3, using the CXML message type quote message. Option 4, using emails from the supplier. Question, which use cases are applicable for side-by-side extensibility? 2. Option 1, you need to change the colors of the standard UL. Option 2, you need to create a new UL for the existing application. Option 3, you need to change fields position in an existing screen. Option 4, you need to extend the existing application including new functions. Question, which user ID must be locked for security reasons after you create an administrator business user? 1. Option 1, SAP customer business user, SAP_CUST_bus. Option 2, SAP email inbound processing, SAP_SMTP_in. Option 3, SAP lifecycle management administrator U, SAP_LMADM. Option 4, SAP customer initial user, SAP_CUST_INI. Question, which SAP Fiori apps are included in the Project Management Project Analysis Catalog? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Utilization Analysis. Option 2 Margin Analysis. Option 3 Resource Analysis. Option 4 Profit Center Analysis. Question: for which business case is in SAP S/4HANA new implementation transition scenario suitable? 1. Option 1 Selectively consolidate multiple regional ERP systems to SAP US/4HANA. Option 2 Explore SAP S/4HANA without disrupting day-to-day business processes. Option 3 Migrate to the latest SAP Business Suite on any database to SAP S/4HANA. Option 4 Migrate the current SAP Business Suite system on SAP HANA to USAP/4HANA. Question: which of the following are the few challenges associated with current MRP tool? 1. Option 1 All of the above. Option 2 New demand and supply changes make MRP plan immediately outdated. Option 3 Long and resource-intensive MRP run mean a periodic and batch process. Option 4 No real-time single view for material information and LJ shortages. Question: you no longer need to start different transactions and reports separately, what are visible on one single page? 2. Option 1 Analytical cards. Option 2 Operational. Option 3 Critical cards. Question: SAP S/4HANA Cloud Business Process Testing. In what phase of the SAP Activate methodology do you test the business processes? Option 1 Perform. Option 2 Explore. Option 3 Deploy. Option 4 Run. Question: which of the following capabilities can you use in the SAP Fiori app manage usage decisions? 2. Option 1 Edit comments of an inspection lot. Option 2 Record inspection results. X. Option 3 Change the inspection lot ID. Option 4 View contextual information related to material. Question: which of the following can you do with automated invoice settlement, 2LH? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Post the appropriate invoices yourself if you use evaluated receipt settlement. Option 2 Use evaluated receipt settlement without a confirmation from the supplier. Option 3 Settle the created goods movements without receipt of an invoice. Option 4 Schedule a job that will periodically settle invoices. Question: you are designing the migration of data for a new SAP S/4HANA Cloud customer. What must the customer do to prepare? 1. Option 1 Change the provided Microsoft Excel templates to match the customer and #39s requirements. Option 2 Design the programs or reports needed to extract the legacy data. Option 3 Design the interfaces with the non-SAP legacy system for mass U transfer. Option 4 Select the applicable data migration objects from the complete list of U objects. Question: how is the KPI contract leakage percentage defined? Option 1 confirmed quantity of purchase orders. Option 2 quantity of purchase orders. Option 3 confirmed spend of purchase orders. Option 4 spend of purchase orders. Question: in which parameter of the core HR with SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, JB1, SAP_com_0001. Communication scenario would you define that both employees and contingent workers are replicated from SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central to SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Option 1 Employee Class. Option 2 Excel Organizational ASM Replication. Option 3 Type of Workforce. Option 4 Exclude ORG Assign. W Employment. Status. Question: which role is required to configure the settings for communication management? Option 1 Configuration Expert. Option 2 Administrator. Option 3 Master Data Specialist. Option 4 Project Manager Commercial Services. Question: which are hallmarks of successful cloud offerings? 4. Option 1 Accelerated innovation cycles. Option 2 Fully customizable solutions. Option 3 Best practices for industries and countries. Option 4 A modern growth platform. Option 5 Reliable data centers. Question: what SAP Best Practices business process, scope item, enables you to automatically connect to your banks to send payment instructions and receive bank statements? 1. Option 1 Bank integration with SAP Multi-Bank Connectivity, 16R. Option 2 Bank connectivity via Duct APIs, 2EAM. Option 3 Bank fee management, 2.0. Option 4 Bank integration with file interface, 1EG. Question: which of the following prerequisites need to be fulfilled for purchase order approval? 2. Option 1 The purchase order value has to be higher than a predefined net value. Option 2 The according purchase requisition has to be approved manually. Option 3 You need to assign the release conditions. Option 4 You need administrator authorizations. Question: which of the following steps in the requisitioning process in SAP S/4HANA Cloud are optional enhancements? 3. Option 1 Creating purchase requisitions for the project. Option 2 Creating supplier invoice. Option 3 Approval of a purchase requisition. Option 4 Monitor purchase requisition items. Question: the procurement overview provides you with a set of, that you can easily rearrange as required. 1. Option 1 Actionable cards. Option 2 Different transactions. Option 3 Relevant tasks. Option 4 KPI drill downs. Question: which of the following cloud edition supports the marketing line of business? 1. Option 1 SAP S/4HANA Finance Cloud. Option 2 SAP S/4HANA Marketing Cloud. Option 3 SAP S/4HANA Professional Services Cloud. Option 4 None of the above. Question: what is included in a quarterly release delivery of SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Option 1 Additional innovations. Option 2 Regular imports. Option 3 Corrections. Option 4 Enhancements. Question: which of the following processes are done using an API in a two-tier procurement scenario for procurement of direct materials, J45? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Approve purchase order. Option 2 GR/IR clearing. Option 3 Open sales order report. Option 4 Stock visibility. Question: SAP S/4HANA Cloud configuration and integration. You want to authenticate employees in SAP Cloud Identity. In which app can you download a .csv file with the list of users? Option 1 Maintain communication users. Option 2 Maintain business users. Option 3 Maintain business roles. Option 4 Maintain catalog roles. Question: settlement management in S/4HANA sales replaces ____________. 1. Option 1 SD rebate processing. Option 2 none of the above. Option 3 finance processing. Option 4 feed processing. Question: which data is generated when you activate a business role in Identity and Access Management? 1. Option 1 Business Catalogs. Option 2 PFCG roles. Option 3 Business Groups. Option 4 Default values. Question: SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management has been designed by reintegrating portions of. Option 1 All of the above. Option 2 SAP CRM. Option 3 SCM. Option 4 SRM. Question: which SAP Fiori apps are included in the Project Management Project Analysis Catalog? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Utilization Analysis. Option 2 Margin Analysis. Option 3 Resource Analysis. Option 4 Profit Center Analysis. Question: the procurement overview provides you with a set of, that you can easily rearrange as required. 1. Option 1 Actionable cards. Option 2 Different transactions. Option 3 Relevant tasks. Option 4 KPI drill downs. Question: what is included in the implementation cost of a standard SAP S/4HANA Cloud solution? 3. Option 1 Production system that includes additional onboarding services. Option 2 Quality system with SAP best practice processes enabled for the scope the customer purchased. Not configured. Option 3 Starter system including SAP best practice processes enabled and configured for the scope the customer purchased, and a model company with sample data. Option 4 Two quality systems, including one with SAP best practice processes enabled for the scope the customer purchased, not configured, and the second as a testing/development landscape. Option 5 Starter system including SAP best practice processes enabled and configured for the scope the customer purchased, and sample data from the customer and #39s legacy system. Question: which start condition can be maintained for the purchase requisition approval workflow, header? 1. Option 1 Company code. Option 2 Document type. Option 3 Creation indicator. Option 4 Amount. Option 5 All of the above. Question: which of the following business roles is relevant for SAP best practices scenario? Production subcontracting, external processing, BJK. 2. Option 1 Production controller. Option 2 Production supervisor X. Option 3 Billing clerk. Option 4 Warehouse clerk. Question: the functional areas involved in material management usually include 1. Option 1 Shipping. Option 2 Purchasing. Option 3 Production control. Option 4 All of the above. Question: what are the technical tasks during system conversion to SAP S/4HANA? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Execute a heterogeneous system copy. Option 2 Set up system replication. Option 3 Check add-ons and industry solutions. Option 4 Create a dual stack system. Question: which of the following prerequisites need to be fulfilled for purchase order approval? Option 1 You need administrator authorizations. Option 2 The associated purchase requisition has to be approved manually. Option 3 You need to assign the release conditions. Option 4 The purchase order value has to be higher than a predefined net value. Question: how can a business user define the level of automation within flexible workflows? 2. Option 1 Approval rules using ABAP. Option 2 N-step approval. Option 3 Dynamic start conditions. Question: what SAP innovation in the extensibility outlook will significantly reduce the efforts required for a transition to the cloud by enabling customers to reuse code and skills? 1. Option 1 SAP Cloud Platform, Connectivity. Option 2 SAP Cloud Platform, Integration. Option 3 SAP Cloud Platform, ABAP Environment. Option 4 SAP Cloud Platform, API Management. Question: a purchase contract can be created with reference to which of the following data objects? 2. Option 1 Contract template. Option 2 Purchase contract. Option 3 Purchase requisition. Option 4 Purchase order. Question: which of the following process steps is automatically generated in SAP Ariba buying and invoicing integration? 1. Option 1, create purchase order. Option 2, confirm good delivery. Option 3, check invoice. Option 4, create invoice. Question: which actions can you complete with the planning table tool in repetitive manufacturing? 2. Option 1, analyze the product cost collector for cost calculation. Option 2, perform component backflush on the planned orders. Option 3, assign unassigned production quantities to the production lines. Option 4, perform planning tasks using production or process orders. Question: your customer wants to know what kind of management can be performed for SAP Fiori business catalogs. Which of the following is true for these? 1. Option 1, they can be changed as per the customer needs. Option 2, they are assigned to users using the PFCG transaction. Option 3, they are delivered pre-configured and cannot be changed. Question: which features of SAP HANA are used to simplify SAP S/4HANA? 2. Option 1, embedded web portal. Option 2, column data storage only. Option 3, multi-tenancy platform X. Option 4, online analytical processing, OLAP. Question: what are some characteristics of SAP S/4HANA Cloud? 2. Option 1, SAP S/4HANA Cloud is single tenant, meaning your service runs in a dedicated environment. Option 2, SAP S/4HANA Cloud includes quarterly innovation cycles. Option 3, SAP S/4HANA Cloud provides additional functionality for customers that require broad extensions and deep configuration capabilities. Option 4, SAP S/4HANA Cloud is multi-tenant, meaning your service runs in a shared environment. Option 5, SAP S/4HANA Cloud runs in an infrastructure with private, managed services for SAP solutions. Question: the purpose of material management is to 1. Option 1, satisfy the demand during period of replenishment. Option 2, gain economy in purchasing. Option 3, all of the above. Option 4, carry reserve stock to avoid stockout. Question: which data is generated when you activate a business role in identity and access management? 1. Option 1, business catalogs. Option 2, PFCG roles. Option 3, business groups. Option 4, default values. Question: which of the following differences between procurement of stock materials and consumable materials are accurate? 3. Option 1, it is necessary to enter material number for stock materials and not necessary for consumable material. Option 2, account assignment category is mandatory for stock material, and not for consumable material. Option 3, goods receipt is mandatory for stock material and not for consumable material. Option 4, stock value is updated for stock material, and not for consumable material. Question: what is the most significant feature of a hybrid cloud? 1. Option 1, mix of on-premise and cloud solutions. Option 2, mix of private cloud and public cloud. Option 3, resources shared by multiple customers and accessed via the internet. Option 4, availability on the premises of the third-party cloud provider. Question: settlement management in S/4HANA sales replaces underscore 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 underscore. 1. Option 1, SD rebate processing. Option 2, none of the above. Option 3, finance processing. Option 4, feed processing. Question: what are some of the benefits that the SAP best practices scenario make to order production, semi-finished goods planning and assembly, 1BM, can provide? 2. Option 1, create purchase requisitions for raw materials early. Option 2, reduce total lead time. Option 3, minimize inventory of semi-finished goods. Option 4, optimize lot size of finished goods production orders. Question: which product type group does the scope item 22Z deals with? 1. Option 1, service. Option 2, document. Option 3, good. Option 4, material. Question: which of the following components are part of the SAP Web IDE Hybrid App Toolkit add-on? 1. Option 1, capsule plugins, SAP Web IDE plugin, Hybrid App Toolkit connector. Option 2, SAP Web IDE plugin, Hybrid Companion App, Hybrid App L- and #39, Toolkit connector. Option 3, Hybrid Companion App, config.json, package. JSON, SAP Web UIDE plugin. Option 4, Hybrid App Project Templates, Device Configuration, Hybrid App Toolkit connector. Question: you no longer need to start different transactions and reports separately, what are visible on one single page? 2. Option 1, analytical cards. Option 2, operational. Option 3, critical cards. Question: what are the 3 cornerstones of SAP and #39, S cloud security strategy? 3. Option 1, secure people. Option 2, secure products. Option 3, secure cloud. Option 4, secure company. Option 5, secure operations. Question: which of the following roles are required for the consumable purchasing process? 3. Option 1, accounts payable accountant. Option 2 Warehouse Clerk. Option 3 Purchasing Employee. Option 4 Purchaser. Question: what SAP Best Practices business process, scope item, enables the user to order direct materials? Where a seamless integration is incorporated and ensures a stable and efficient process, including all steps from the initial creation of a purchase requisition to the invoice creation and handling. 1. Option 1 Advanced Available to Promise Processing, 1JW. Option 2 Direct Procurement with Inbound Delivery, 2TX. Option 3 Cross-Plant Transfer Posting, 1P7. Option 4 Procurement of Direct Materials, J45. Question: which of the following are characteristics of transferring data to SAP S/4HANA using files? 3. Option 1 Staging tables are created automatically. Option 2 Pre-delivered templates are downloaded and populated manually with relevant business data. Option 3 Staging tables can be filled by SAP tools or external ETL tools, extract, transfer load. Option 4 Pre-delivered MS Excel templates are available for migration objects. Option 5 Used to transfer small to medium quantities of data. Question: what can you do with the Order to Cash Performance Monitoring, BKN, scope item? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 View delivery processing timelines. Option 2 Identify bottlenecks and areas of improvement in sales processes. Option 3 Review the current status and trends in the sales process performance. Option 4 Provide strategic and operational control over order-to-cash processes. Option 5 Improve invoice processing methods. Question: in the SAP Ariba payment and discount management process, what step comes immediately after the Suggest a Discount for Early Processing step? 1. Option 1 Release invoice for payment. Option 2 Update payment proposal. Option 3 Start payment run. Option 4 Evaluate payment suggestion. Question: how are the provider responses for quotations sent to SAP S/4HANA Cloud from Ariba Network? 1. Option 1 Using SAP JCO. Option 2 No response is sent as the process takes place in the same system. Option 3 Using the CXML message type quote message. Option 4 Using emails from the supplier. Question: what are the key features of spend visibility? Note: there are 3 correct answers to this questions. Option 1 Supplier evaluation. Option 2 Purchasing and invoice spend. Option 3 Purchase requisitions. Option 4 Contracts and scheduling agreements. Option 5 None of the above.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.